This is day 7 of Pre-Algebra's Polygon unit. Very short notes today, mostly review, kind of working in reverse a little bit. Title of your notes, Polygons, day 7. And for example 1, draw a rectangle. Remember, the area of a rectangle is length times the width. I'm not going to give you the length and the width. But let's make a triangle that connects to the bottom two corners and then up to the top. I'll label that ABC. Area of triangle ABC is 30. I'm going to label these corners D and E. Your goal is to figure out the area of the rectangle ADEC. Well, that's easy enough if you think about how their area formulas relate to each other. The triangle is base times height divided by 2. The rectangle is just length times width, or base times height. So notice that the only thing is different is that the area of the triangle had the base times height divided by 2. So it was 60 before you divided it by 2 to get 30. So the rectangle had an area of 60 square units. So this big triangle here, which you were given as 30, is equal to these two added up. So altogether you had 60. Try example 2. Let's do kind of the same idea. This time let's make this F, G, H, and I. And then we'll put J kind of skewed over here to the right. The area of triangle FJI is 18. Calculate the area of rectangle FGHI. Go ahead and pause the video if I've gone too fast and you need to get caught up. Now, to get the answer, remember the triangle was divided by 2. So the number you got before you divided by 2 was the rectangle. So before you divided by 2, you got 36. The area of the rectangle is 36. All right, the last two examples, I'm not going to give you a drawing, but I'm going to give you the fact that you have an area of a triangle that's equal to 28. That triangle has a base that's equal to 7. Your goal is to find the measure of the height. Okay. Well, the base times the height divided by 2 equals the area. So let's just start plugging in some values. You know the base is 7, but you don't know the height. 7 times the height divided by 2 is the area of 28. Basic equation solving, you're going to multiply both sides by 2, and you knew that because before you divided by 2, you had 56 divided by 7 gives you a height of 8. All right, this last one, just the same. You might need a calculator. The numbers aren't quite as nice. You're going to have an area of a triangle of 70.4. The base of the triangle is 12.8, and you want to find the height. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Base times height divided by 2 equals the area. Multiply by 2. 12.8h equals 140.8. The opposite of multiplication is division. So divide by 12.8, and you see that the triangle has a height of 11. Now you're ready to go ahead and do the attached worksheets. Again, mostly review, and then check your answers, and then enter them onto the Google form.